Welcome back, friends. I hope you had fun with the session that I shared last time about building real-time communication in a web user interface. I'm very interested in seeing what you guys built from this. You could send me a personal message in LinkedIn. You could reply to the original article, or you could also reply to the YouTube video. In the session today, I just briefly want to share with you what I built on top of real-time communication. This is the starting point for building the collaboration platform, and yeah, so let's look at it. For this starting point, I have SQL database which holds all my data. I'm sorry, not SQL, no SQL database which holds all my data, and an identity provider which is kind of provisioning and also authenticating the user identities. And lastly, user interface is built on a TypeScript based UI framework. So without further ado, let me launch the application. Yeah, so like I mentioned, I need to log in with the identity provider. So let me log in with the first user identity. After I log in, I get a preliminary shell. You could have video conferencing here, you could have notification, user identity, and so on. But right now, my shell has only one application module deployed, that's for collaboration. So let me go to the module. Right now I have no collaborations open. That is intentional. To show real-time communication, let me launch different versions of this UI, one with the same user and the other one with a different lockdown user. I want to also show, along with real-time communication, you could also implement some kind of access control mechanism so that the changes are propagated in real time, but at the same time you are also managing access control. So kind of a, add on to what we shared last time, with just the bare communication mechanism. Now we build additional add-ons on top, right? So let me also launch the same um, not let's okay, so let me open a new incognito window because I want to log in with a different user this time. And the same URL, and let me log in with my brother's user ID. Right, G Joshi, G stands for Gaurav. Okay, and so now basically there are two guys. I'm kind of simulating how it would happen with multiple users. So so what, remember, whatever is in the light background, this one is from Manish user and the dark background is from Gaurav user, right? So right now both of them have no collaboration. Let me open another screen for Manish. So now we have three guys connected. Let me arrange it so that we can see all three of them. So this one is on Manish user, this one is also on Manish user, and this one is on Gaurav user, right? So let's say from the first session I want to create a collaboration. Say let's name it by Manish and collaboration by Manish. And the moment I create this, notice both the UIs with Manish logged on instantly see the collaboration, right? So Manish, collaboration by Manish, but this guy has not seen it yet. The reason being, the collaboration has not been shared with this user yet. So let me update my membership, and this time, so right now I have only one member. I would add Gaurav to this one, and let's say, or let's do it like this. Let's not add the membership on this one, but instead add another one so that we see what would be seen by different people, right? So to be shared with, to be shared, right? So this one will be shared with even Gaurav, right? So let's see. Now you right now this is not yet visible to the other user because I have not yet added Gaurav as a member here. So let me go to the members card and add Gaurav here. You might argue, why is it a drop down? It should have been suggest or something like that, but this is still preliminary phase right now. So the moment I add the member, you see I have some problem here with the refresh of this screen, but see now if you look at the state, uh, both sessions for Manish see both the collaboration, whereas now Gaurav instantly sees the third one which is shared with him because in the membership he is also added. So that would be all for today. Stay tuned. I would be taking more sessions. This time would be more uh, on logging and other aspects, which are sometimes also a key differentiator for switching from say on-premise to a cloud application. And I have some interesting thoughts and takes on what should be done on those areas. So stay tuned for the next session, and don't forget to share what you built from the real-time communication. I'm all pumped up to see. Thank you.